Good morning class. Our subject is cost accounting. Cost accounting is the system of accounting which is concerned with determination of cost. Doing something such can be manufacture or production or producing an articles on rendering some services, even conducting any acting functions. Basically, we discussed that cost accounting system. The cost accounting is a process. Cost accounting system, the cost accounting system is accounting which is concerned with the determination. Determination means that they are determining the different types of cost. Means which can be manufactured, and in a manufacturing process there are types of costing. There are prime cost, manufacturing cost, this type of labor cost, material cost. These are the types of costs are included. Let's start. What is the cost accounting? Basically, this is the cost accounting. It is a part of financial accounting. Basic functions of financial accounting, they are included in a cost accounting. So, what is the cost accounting? The financial account is developed. When financial accounting is developed over the time of record, the financial accounting base is a records means ledgers, journals and supporting documents. This is bank related, means receipt and payments. It is important, means the financial accounting is developed over the time of records summarizes, means these records are clumped, and after the end of the year, end of the month or financial year closing, they are summarized. When they are shown in a back to prepare the financial statement, balance sheet or receipt and payment audit reports. Those persons are maintaining this accounting, financial accounting, those as person present in a financial system, and this person present to represent the transactions or events, which can be expressed to the items. To the item means those purchase related or sales related items, even a money, means any type of transactions happen, they are recorded, they are summarized, and the concerned person to recording in a financial data, and these are preparing, they are maintaining the records, receipt, payment, transaction related. These are concerned to the record of financial accounting. Thus, this person keeping, recording and transactioning the accounting records. These types of record, it is a financial record. That is the best part of costing. It is a branch of cost accounting. In a base is a financial accounting. First way to start, the financial accounting is developed even the time of record, summarize and present the financial transaction or events which can be expressed in items of money only, numerical figures, they are to be maintained. The function was primarily concerned with the financial accounting, with the record keeping, leading to preparation of profit and loss account, first with trading account, profit and loss account, and after we finalize the balance sheet. And this balance sheet show financial system, T-form balance sheet, company balance sheet 1956-1960 related to the or a sub-auditor to show the form number 16 related balance sheet, T-form balance sheet. These are the balances. It is based on the financial accounting. So, what is the What is the financial accounting we discuss? We discuss next point, the cost accounting and financial accounting is several purpose. Why we prepare the cost accounting and financial accounting, which there are several purposes to the we are preparing. First purpose is to acquisition of plants and machinery or other assets. Acquisition means what? Acquire. A person acquire the raw material, purchase. That is the acquire means of purchase. Purchase of 100 rupee raw material, the person using labor, other expenses, material charges, and after that one sugarcane industry acquiring the sugar canes. The sugarcane cutting, crushing, boiling, and after the sugar is ready. So these process happen. So they acquiring the plant and machinery or other assets. That is the main purpose of financial accounting. Means they are acquired and after they manufacture, they applied the process in accounting. Second, determine the product selection, addition or dropping or changing product or combination in case of multi-product company. Means most of the manufacturing companies, they are determining the product selection means which types of products we have to produce. Most of the manufacturing companies, they give the requirements, the custom, they are customers, they are giving the customers feedbacks, which types of products you have to need. Most of the companies, they are visited to the small scale industries, they say we want these types of products, we want quality of products. So they are required, they are selection of product and they addition means construction company, they build row houses, but the customers wants to change the marbles, change the basin, change the colors and n number of types of these changes. That time they addition, so company also addition charges to be charged. These are the financial accounting related parts. So basically they are say these are the our materials, these are the our construction, these are the plant, these are the system. Any additions you require, so make addition charges to be applied. So this is the financial accounting system. And any dropping means they are know about dropping means in no wanted means you तुम्हाला एखादा पार्ट नको आहे, you have to drop this. Means using any material in molding or any manufacturing, they are dropped means we don't know, we don't like this, आपल्याला नको आहे तो, we neglect, you drop this. That is type changing the products. Means you are buying a jewelry, that time new additions, new designs are entered in a market. That time most of the ladies, gents, they are change the product or they are modifying the product. Means 1 gram these rings, and the rings they are changed to the locket. These are the changes. Any choice, प्रत्येकाची वेगवेगळी चॉईस असते, प्रत्येकजण वेगवेगळ्या प्रकारे त्याच्यामध्ये ॲडिशन्स करत असतो. बरेच जण असं असतात कॉम्बिनेशन करतात. नेक्स्ट पॉईंट इज अ कॉम्बिनेशन. मीन्स दोन वेगवेगळे ह्याचं कॉम्बिनेशन करून ते वस्तूंचा वापर करतात. कधी कधी प्रोडक्ट्सचाही वापर केला जातो. इन केस ऑफ मल्टी प्रोसेस कंपन्या बऱ्याच मल्टीनॅशनल मल्टी प्रोडक्ट काही काही कंपन्या एक पेक्षा जास्त प्रोडक्ट्स बनवत असतात, त्यावेळेस ते त्याच्यामध्ये चेंजेस करत असतात. दॅट इज अ मल्टी प्रोडक्ट. आता थर्ड पॉईंट इज आहे डिटरमाइन द आउटपुट लेवल. आउटपुट लेवल ते डिटरमाइन करतात. म्हणजे आउटपुट लेवल काय असेल आपली, किती प्रोडक्शन आपण डेली बनवू शकतो, किती बनायला पाहिजे, आपली किती रिक्वायरमेंट आहे आणि आपली किती इफिशियन्सी आहे ते चेक करतात. फोर्थ पॉईंट इज अ डिटरमाइन और रिव्हिजिटिंग द प्लान्स ऑफ प्रोडक्ट्स किंवा प्राइस ऑफ द प्रोडक्ट. डिटरमाइन द रिवायझिंग द प्राइस ऑफ प्रोडक्ट. ते विचार करतात आज प्रोडक्टला मागणी आहे, उद्या मागणी असेल का, परवा मागणी असेल का, आपला प्रोडक्ट हा सर्वांनी घेतला पाहिजे. हाय कॉस्टचा आहे, लो कॉस्टचा आहे, मिडियम कॉस्टचा आहे असं कोणी म्हणलं नाही पाहिजे. हाय कॉस्टचा आहे म्हणून लोकांनी रिजेक्ट नाही केलं पाहिजे आणि एकदम लो कॉस्ट आहे म्हणून त्याला पाहिलंही नाही पाहिजे. अफोर्डेबल कॉस्ट तुम्ही चार्ज करा. इन मार्केट प्लेसपेक्षा तुमच्या कॉस्टला त्याची प्राइस ही एक सुटेबल असेल. अँड लास्ट पॉइंट इज whether the profit earned or optimum compared with the competitors as well as the earlier year. म्हणजे काय, whether the profit earned, तुम्हाला प्रॉफिट मिळाला, to optimum to compare with the competitive as well as earlier years. ह्याच्यामध्ये आपल्याला सांगायचं आहे की तुम्हाला प्रॉफिट झाला आहे तर त्यावेळेस तुम्ही त्याचा विचार असा करायला पाहिजे, बाहेर इतर वेळी नेक्स्ट पिरियडमध्ये पूर्वी प्रॉफिट नव्हता म्हणून आता झाला, किंवा पूर्वी आज प्रॉफिट झाला आहे उद्या होईलच असं काही नाही. म्हणून त्याची सोय तुम्ही करून ठेवली पाहिजे. दॅट इज द मेन पार्ट ऑफ कॉस्ट अकाउंटिंग. आजच्या लेक्चरपुरतं एवढंच. आपण विचार केला व्हॉट इज मीन बाय कॉस्ट, व्हॉट इज मीन फायनान्शियल अकाउंटिंग, आणि ते फायनान्शियल अकाउंटिंग कॉस्ट अकाउंटिंग करण्याचं पर्पज काय, का गरजेचं आहे त्याच्यामध्ये शिकलं. ॲक्विजिशन ऑफ प्लांट अँड मशिनरी, डिटरमाइन सिलेक्शन, ड्रॉपिंग, ॲडिशन, चेंजिंग, कॉम्बिनेशन ऑफ और मल्टी प्रोडक्ट. नेक्स्ट डिटरमाइन द आउटपुट लेवल. आउटपुट लेवल किती असायला पाहिजे, किती आपण आपली एफिशियन्सी आहे ते बघितलं पाहिजे. अनदर डिटरमाइनिंग द रिव्हिलिंग द प्रोडक्ट प्राइस किती ठेवायला पाहिजे, अफोर्डेबल किती आहे आणि अफोर्डेबल किती आहे हे आपण पाहिलं. थँक्यू.